Hey there, so I'm showing you now how you can mix your own weight gainer. You can save a lot of money and also make sure you have the best ingredients. Often weight gainers include a lot of sugar, and I've been mixing around and created a cool formula, and I'm sharing it with you now. All you need is a kitchen scale, some spoon, Maltodextrin powder, a source of protein. I'm choosing the whey protein of golden, vanilla, and instant oats. So that's for about 2 kilograms. What you also have to add, those three ingredients are 1.8 kilogram. And the rest to fill up to those 2 kilogram will be like glucosamine, calcium, and glutamine. So, very simple.